This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd David. Immaculate turnkey home with lots of privacy. This 2-bedroom 2-bath home with a nice open floor plan is sparkling clean with a new roof over and new water heater. Enjoy the laminate flooring in the living areas and bedrooms and a huge Florida with lots of natural light that is great for entertaining. Relax and take in some nature watching with your private outdoor space on the large screened and tiled lanai, 12 by 20. Venice Isle is a resident-owned over 55 mobile home park in Venice with almost 1,000 homes, and the park is loaded with amenities for active adults. Some of the park's features are 2 clubhouses, 2 tennis courts, a brand new fitness center, 2 heated pools, 2 hot tubs, saunas, putting greens, shuffleboard, bocce ball, miniature golf, art rooms, pool room, TV lounges, card rooms, library, horseshoes, ceramic kilns, and 2 huge ballrooms. You will find some of Florida's finest malls and boutiques are nearby. Fine dining or fast food takeout, they're all nearby for your eating enjoyment. There are numerous outdoor recreation opportunities in Indulge including 10 area golf courses, endless biking trails, fishing, tennis, miles of pristine beaches. Venice is the shark's tooth capital of the world. Don't miss this chance to own a part of what Southwest Florida has to offer. For more information, review the details below.